Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by ensuring the basics are ready. Update Discord and your graphics drivers because outdated components often cause the black screen. Once done, pick the exact window or entire screen to share. Discord distinguishes them, and choosing the wrong target causes a blank feed. Make sure no other application is capturing the GPU or camera concurrently, since resource conflicts create black outputs. If you're on Windows, run Discord as administrator to grant capture permissions right away. Now you'll refine how Discord captures video. If application share shows black, switch to screen share because it uses a different capture method. In user settings, toggle hardware acceleration off and restart Discord. Hardware capture can clash with some GPUs, and turning it off often fixes black screens. Also, disable overlays from apps like Steam, NVIDIA, or third-party recorders, since overlays inject into frames and break capture. If using a browser source, use the browser's tab share instead of window capture for reliability. Finish by testing with a simple app or window to confirm screen share works before joining a big call. If problems persist, reset Discord's voice and video settings or reinstall the app to clear corrupted configs. Make sure your display scaling and compatibility settings aren't interfering. Run Discord as administrator and set compatibility scaling to system for high DPI displays. If you still see a black screen, reconnect the user to the call. Try a different OBS/window capture preset and mention these steps to the other participants so you troubleshoot together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.